Good morning. Boy, it looks different in the real life than on camera, but it's beautiful. It's more pink. Yeah. What are you doing, little girl? It's gonna be a beautiful day. For breakfast this morning, I'm gonna cook sausage, egg, and cheese burritos. But I'm gonna cook this whole thing of sausage because half of it I'm gonna use, or a little bit more than half, whatever's left over from making burritos this morning, is gonna go into our queso dip for nachos. So I'm gonna cook it all right now, and then later on we'll have nachos for dinner. Okay, since these are smaller tortillas, these are gonna be breakfast tacos, not burritos, but just little tacos like that. Hey, and it's Taco Tuesday. But you probably won't be seeing this on Tuesday. But it is Tuesday. Alright, let's wrap this up. Okay, here's my Velveeta cheese. I'm going to cut it up in cubes. Well, you have a standby watcher. Are you standing by watching? And then Sammy's back there laying down taking a nap. You already looking for your mama? I think you are. Alright, let's cut this up. I got that on high. What? Oh, really? Oh, and then Sammy's, what's wrong? Yeah. You gonna help him? Okay. Good girl. Oh, it's okay. She'll be here in a little bit. It's okay. Sammy's like, what are you doing? Okay, nacho dip is ready. So we can just put some chips in a bowl or a plate and dip the cheese on top. Or just put it in a bowl and dip it like queso. One of the two. And I'm going to get some jalapenos out. Yum. You want to snuggle with Sammy, don't you? You want to snuggle with Sammy, don't you? nice. Y'all be nice. Be nice. Who is that, Finn? Who is that, Finn? Are you excited? Are you excited? Good morning. I am on my way to Walmart to do a Walmart pickup order. Yeah, I just went to Walmart and did a pickup order like 3 days ago, and I forgot to get creamer. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go and do that. And I re-looked at the weekly ads for the local grocery store, because I looked last week and there wasn't anything that I was like, any good deals or anything. So I looked at it again. No, that's right the first time. There's nothing on there. Nothing that I need to stop there for, so not gonna do that. I guess that's all I'm doing is just going to Walmart and doing a pickup order. I did forget a couple of things like yogurt and creamer. Well, I got the creamer. Yogurt that I want to get, so I am going to go ahead and go inside and pick up a couple of other things. Why do a pickup? No, it keeps you from, to me, it keeps me from overspending and that over just throwing stuff in your cart. You kind of, and you keep a running total of how much you've spent. So you're like, if I only want to spend $100, then I can look at that running total and then remove stuff or whatever. So that's why I like doing the pickup. And sometimes you get discounts on items that I guess you get on sale, and they're not normally on sale in the store, just in the pickup. So I saved like $5.95 this week in savings by doing the pickup order. So anyway, we're headed, just me, Sammy's staying with Deborah and Finn, and I am headed to Walmart. Good morning. Yeah, we had a windstorm last night. Knocked over my tomato plants. Knocked off my hummingbird feeder there. This was out near the road. Oh, Sammy says, come on. Shh, shh, shh. Shh, shh. Oh, let me get my tomato plant. Knocks it over when it gets windy out here. Oh, nice cool morning now. You okay, little tomato plant? Lots of tomatoes on there. And man, I have got the jalapenos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't even count them all. 8, 9, 10. Lots of jalapenos. 11. This one's still plugging along. Poor little plant. Finn, are you waiting on your mama? She'll be here in just a minute, okay? She'll be here in just a minute. Yeah, she'll be here in just a minute.
What's wrong with the door?
I don't know. I'm sitting here. There's Finn, baby Finn. Got the door open. I got the air conditioner off. It's just a beautiful, beautiful day. Uploading a video, looking at my library books, and flip through this one really fast. The Suburban Micro Farm. And now this is herbs. Landscaping with herbs. And I'm just started looking through this book. But got a video going. Yeah, just enjoying the cool, nice day. Watching the hummingbirds out there. Oh, I got this. Let me show you this. Of course, it's breezy, so. But one of the neighbors were getting rid of all these, I don't know, what they're not pavers, but they're curved. So I can make like a flower bed, and I might kind of do it around this tree. But I don't know. It could be anywhere, who knows. But, oh, I haven't even watered my flowers this morning. Well, it did rain. Every time it rains, I get water underneath the camper. Yeah, and there's a couple of low spots on that cement pad. So I always know when it rains. But, let's see. Yeah, that's probably wet enough. This one just keeps falling over. Oh, look at that little bitty tomato. And there's a little one. I see a red one. This one just keeps falling over. So I had to, oh, I got 3 of them. I have 3. That one, I might leave it now. Yeah. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Eat that with my pizza today. Yeah, I'm going to cook some pizza. What are you doing, little boy? What are you doing? Yeah, it's like having a 2-year-old. He doesn't have his diaper on right now, but got his diaper right here and his little onesies. Yeah. What are you doing? Are you sweet? Are you sweet? Yeah, you are. Oh, you can go see what Sammy's doing? Sammy's chewing on her little hamburger. What? She'll be here in a minute. She'll be here in a minute. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Let's put your diaper on and your onesie, and we'll take that donut off for a while. There, how's that? Is that better? He's like, I'm not going to move. No, he walks around. Okay, I'm going to make some pizza. Pizza. In my little toaster oven. I need to move this stuff. And I'm going to use this non bread. I need to plug in the toaster oven, don't I? Alright, let's get it heated up a little bit. Put it on bake. Turn it on. Oh no, pretty. Put a little bit of olive oil down. I'm getting used to this sitting down and cooking. Might not want to get a different type table or cooking kitchenette. Okay. And I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on the naan bread. And I'm gonna put that in the oven for just a little bit. I'm gonna cook Deborah's pizza first, and she just wants pepperoni and black olives and cheese. So that's what I'm gonna cook her. And I'm gonna use this jarred marinara sauce that goes, I'm gonna use just a little bit of this, and then I'm gonna make the raviolis. I don't know which one you'll see first, the ravioli or the pizza. We shall see. And this has just been in my freezer. Yeah. Okay, I need to cut these up. A little baby. And these are going on my pizza.